So, as you may or may not be aware, the world's population is increasing exponentially. Let's take a look at the past 200 years or so. In 1804, we hit the 1 billion mark. And by 1927, we were at 2 billion, and we started repopulating the Earth faster and faster, and now in 2013, we have surpassed 7 billion people. Now, humans are social animals. We typically don't like to live alone. Our neurological structure makes us this way, and there's even a correlation between the size of the brain and the size of social groups among species. We are generally much happier when we live in groups, and we establish these things called communities. Before the advent of the internet, these communities usually consisted of our immediate surroundings. There are larger communities like neighborhoods or towns, as well as smaller, more close-knit communities like schools or families. Our networks extended to where we could physically reach. Now that the internet is a part of our daily lives, we are able to become a part of these gigantic online communities that can reach across the entire virtual world. Let's consider one of these online communities, like Facebook, for example. On Facebook, we get to share our lives with the people we're friends with, and we also get to see their posts, like their updates and their photos, and certain advertisements also appear on our pages that match our interests. Typically, at one point or another, we start to feel like we're being watched or monitored by not just our friends, but by some other mysterious watcher. The personal information that we typically share directly with those in our communities hasn't changed too much. The only difference is that now we share it online instead of in person. It's evident that Panopticism is present in our online communities because we not only survey others and are subject to surveying ourselves, but we judge and divide people based on their online activities. If you consider these online interactions, you realize that a lot of similar interactions occur face-to-face. We are not divided into strict cells like the Panopticon depicts, but we judge and divide others when we survey their actions. So if we share similar information with those in our online communities, as we usually would before the internet came into play, and Panopticism still manifests itself in our communities just as it always has, then why are people suddenly feeling bothered by it? It seems to me that this is because we are sharing our lives with communities that have expanded rapidly online. Our audience has become a lot larger. Our neurological structure and cognitive mechanisms make us social. We want to share our lives with others and comprehend the lives of those around us. It only makes sense for us to survey, divide, and maintain a sort of panoptic order over our complex and growing social environment.
Thanks for watching!